What's up, gang? I'm back with another video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below on this video. It's just a quick video. I'm just coming to say hello to everybody. 2020 is here, guys. I'm just sitting here eating a quick breakfast. I have grits, cheese, and bacon, guys. And I just want to come and just say hello to everybody, and I hope everyone is having a awesome 2020 so far, guys. I have a lot of things planned this year for 2020 with my family and just trying to grow my channel. That's about it, guys. When it comes to 2020, I just want to do a lot of vacations, do a lot of vlogs, and do more mukbangs, do more cooking things, guys. And just to grow and be successful in things. I do have other things that I plan on doing this year, guys. I will video them as well, and put them on the channel as well, or just make a separate channel with just those things on there. I'm not sure how I want to do it yet, but it will be just a great year this year, guys. I'm leaving everything that happened in 19, leave it there. I'm not bringing nothing here, guys. I just want to be successful, and I know I haven't been on making any videos, posting any videos. I have been very busy. I just started back working from home, so it was working from home plus moving and everything, guys. So it was so stressful to the point I just didn't post anything or anything at all. So it was just like I moved it. I started back working 7 days a week is stressful, plus overtime. It's a lot on you. So I just haven't been posting anything, but I am back, guys. I still work from home as well, but I still have time to post things, make videos, and everything like that, guys. So I will be back in action constantly soon, guys. It's just going to take time. But other than that, I'm just going to be sitting here listening to my gospel on this great Sunday, guys, and eating my grits. Guys, I got this crispy bacon. Look at it. And I also have a Pepsi, guys. A Pepsi. Can't imagine what I go through. Alright, guys, so don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below on this video, guys. Peace.